Welcome, welcome to Camp Saba, home away from home. We with our 2025 snowstorm, enjoying ourselves. Man, never thought of blizzard in New Orleans in my lifetime. I guess magic is real, huh? Love on who you can love on. There's a lot of fakeness going on out here. A lot of playing on heartstrings, you know. But real love is real love. I don't care what you call it. No artificial nothing can stop real love.